Hi and welcome. In this video, I will give a brief explanation of how Dolibarr Integration app works. This app helps you connect your Shopify store with Dolibarr ERP. So first of all, we have this Dolibarr configuration section in which we have two inputs like Dolibarr domain and API key. These are basically used to connect our Dolibarr ERP to our Shopify store. How we can obtain these two credentials? Let's see. Also, we have one more important setting before we start syncing our customer products and orders between Shopify and Dolibarr. Like if you go in setup and set a module and application, here you will just simply search API. So you have this API and web services. You have to enable this setting to start using the Dolibarr API to make the Dolibarr API compatible with your Dolibarr ERP. Like this is our Dolibarr dashboard, and here you will see user and groups options. And when you click on new user, you just simply scroll and here you will see key for API. If you generate this from here, you will get your API key. Just simply copy this and paste in your API key input. And for the domain, you just simply copy the URL from here and just simply paste in. After adding these two credentials, just save the configuration and test your connection. Like if I test your connection and it will say connection successful. Now let's move to next part. Now we have like basically three modules: product sync, customer sync and order sync. First we will see the product sync part, and if I go on product sync, like here you will see our product sync settings like enable and disable. Also we have two options, like we just want to sync the inventory like the quantity and the prices, or we want to sync the all products. Also we have products location mapping. Here we will map the Shopify shop location with the warehouse of our Dolibarr. After saving these settings, you just simply click on sync all products and it will start syncing the products from Dolibarr to Shopify. And if I go here in our Dolibarr, we will see like we have two products which are for purchase, and the sync is complete like last sync 6 seconds ago. And if I go in products, like we have two products available. Also if I check this Apple MacBook, it has two variants. The variants are also synced with the product. So this is how the product sync work. And if like these are the third parties, these are the customer list we have available in our Dolibarr. And if I move to the next customer sync section, here we just have only we want to enable or disable this customer sync settings. After setting up this, we just simply click on sync all customers, and this will start syncing our customers from Shopify to the Dolibarr app. Like two customers are failed, like this, the reason is that the address is not available for these customers. Also if I check the third parties and refresh this, you will see the customers are listed here from the Shopify. Like if I go there and if I check the customer, like these are the customer list available in my Shopify stores, and these are successfully got synced with the Dolibarr ERP. Now let's move to the third part, that is order sync settings. So basically from here you can just enable and disable your order sync, and these are some default settings like enable tax sync if you want to sync the tax with the order, and default warehouse, default payment method and default bank account. Basically the below two settings are used when we are creating the invoice. Once you have configured your order sync setting, let's try placing an order and see if it got synced with Dolibarr or not. Before that, let's also check, like these are my previously synced orders. Like I have 3 orders here. So let's now make a new order. I simply just go on my online store. Like this is the product we have, which we have synced. I will use the same product. Just adding some dummy address, my bogus card, and just click on. So now the order is placed and the webhook is received and in the backend, and let's refresh this and see if we got the order or not. So like here we got the order like 1261. If I open this, like this is the laptop 123 black X which we have ordered, and the taxis are not here as we haven't enabled the tax sync. And further, it doesn't have any shipment because the order is not fulfilled in the Shopify. So if I go on this orders, like the order number is 1261, and if I check over here, yeah, here is our order 1261, and if I fulfill this order, and again the webhook will be hit, and in the background our order will be got updated. So here you will see that the shipment for this order have been created. If I go to shipment, you will see here the shipment for this quantity one. Also, if I check its sales invoice, like I go here, and this is the latest one we got just now. So like the sales invoices also have been created for this order having status paid. So our order is successfully synced and updated, like we have successfully created its sales invoice and also its shipment for this order. Also, we can check the logs in our app. If we also have a dashboard section in which we show the order logs, like this is the order log we got just now, which says sync status is success and order status is completed. And if I also open this, yeah, we can also view our order directly from our Shopify sync order dashboard. So this was just a small tutorial of how our Dolibarr integration app works and how its product sync, customer sync and order sync works. Hope this video helps you in understanding how the sync works, and for further help we also added a setup guide, like you can also view the video from here, and we also have a detailed documentation which explain all the parts. Also, you can schedule a meeting with us if you have any query, and we also got a 24-hour support available here. You can just email or write your query. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.